Hello guys, today I want to talk about the new Amazon announcement regarding the Amazon title character limits, which will be like 75 character limits, like starting from July 27. And I want to present you like a quick and easy solution for implementing like these new rules like on your Amazon product listing. So this is what we are gonna see in this video. So the solution is called like Superlisting.io. This is a solution I developed it like for the past couple months now, and this is what we are gonna see today. We will be using like the AI chat like feature, and what we need to do is optimizing one example for Amazon product listing. So let's take this one, which will be like like a coffee machine for kids on selling on Amazon.com. And what we need to do is just grab the title, grab let's say like the information of the product on the product listing, especially on the bullet points, and you just need to copy paste here like on the AI chat. You make sure to select the right marketplaces. In this case it's Amazon.com. You click on it, you just press enter. Here you just need to validate if it's okay for you. You just press play again, and here we go. We have like the information that is currently populated in the system. Just need to wait like a few seconds. Here we go. So here we have like the title that is optimized. We have the mobile title, which is like including like the 75 characters max, including space. And we have the product description. You have like the bullet points that is currently that are currently optimized. And finally, you have also the backend keywords that you could use like directly. And if it's okay for you, if it fits for you, like what you are looking for in terms of optimization, you just need to save it and then copy paste directly on your Amazon Seller Central accounts. And you can do that like for all the listings that you might have. And I will conclude this video by saying that it's really important that you review the information that Amazon is giving you in terms of mobile titles, because in some cases it's okay, it's correct, but in some cases I've seen that on a few clients like the AI announcement from Amazon is not right 100% of the time. So this is important that you review it, because if you are not doing it, Amazon will implement it for you, and it could impact negatively your conversion rate, but also your sales on Amazon.com, Amazon.ca, Amazon.fr, whatever you are selling your product. So July 27th, you will have like 14 days like to review it, and if you are not doing it, like Amazon will push it for you. So that's it for today. I hope you will enjoy this video, and